in his home, and he dismantled, whatever, my front room. The table that was over there is now being assembled in that space. How he got it in there, we will never know. That table ain't moving until we move. And then he put the chair that I told y'all that I wanted to go downstairs, he brought that downstairs. So the clean house that I showed y'all a couple days ago, now a hot mess again. So yeah, so I'm thankful for him. Now after he's done doing that, I have to rearrange some furniture in that new space because it was just too much stuff in the space, and it was too much. It was screaming at me, so I had to move some stuff around. Even though I like the setup that was over there before, it's just way too much. But I'm making dinner, making tacos for the babies, and I have some leftover rice from a few days ago, so they're gonna eat it with their taco situation. And that's dinner our afternoon. What's today, Wednesday? I'm over here editing today's video, Wednesday. And also I start school officially on the 27th, so by the time you guys see this video, I've already started school. I start school on the 27th. I'm so excited. I have everything set up. Let me show y'all. So I brought this down because I was cooking and I was trying to get this is my life, just decorations for days. I'm gonna bring all of this stuff downstairs because this was from Christmas. I used all of these stuff for Christmas, so I'm gonna bring them down. You know, I use my gold, so I'm gonna bring them down. They heavy. All right, so this is the keyboard, and it controls my MacBook. I use the keyboard because I don't like this keyboard on here, so I like typing on here, and it's so cool. Anyways, my battery is dying, so I gotta go charge it. Yay! It is so cute. Thank you. This one, it opens far enough. Oh my gosh! I don't know if we're gonna be able to fit the basket up under there, but this is so cute. The other one was way too tall, but this is perfect. You had to build it in there. We scratched the wall up trying to get it up in there. He figured he would take it apart, but it's cute. I love it. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I can wipe that off. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. Oh my god, it's dirty. Good morning, guys. Okay, it's another day. I was trying to get these kids out the door, so I was upstairs practicing a song. I have so much crammed into this one day that ridiculous, but we're gonna get it done. Leah, put your shoes on and come brush your hair. Why am I walking around with a bag? Jackson, don't forget your lunch today. It's in your lunch bag? Yeah. What's going on with your socks?
I did not know this was ripped, so.
Can you go change it, please?
Okay.
Don't play with me. You're playing with your whole life. You're walking around with our last name. You can't just look any old kind of way. It's 7:35. We're supposed to leave out of here at 7:24. My battery's dying, so I gotta go. Okay, guys. I am back home. I didn't even take you guys with me because my camera died. My camera battery died, so I couldn't take y'all with me, but I'm back in the house. I went to pick up meat for Saturday's lunch. We're having friends over on Saturday, so I went to the store about 40 minutes away from it. No, it wasn't horrible lighting. 40 minutes away, and then while I was there, I stopped in at Home Goods. So let me show you guys all the stuff that I got from Home Goods. Hold on. All right, so I went to Home Goods in the city that I went to pick up the meat, and it's a good thing I went. So I've been going to, why do I look so weird, like a whole alien on camera today? Let me fix myself. All right, weirdo. Okay, anyways, if this makes it into the vlog and I didn't get a chance to edit it, I'm sorry. Anyways, oh, can you guys see me and not just my forehead? Lord, that's a big forehead. First item is this guy, OMZ. This was $20, and I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put it. It is so beautiful. It's just like that. Wish y'all could see it. And then you can put it all together. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put it. That was $19.99. I got two very basic, boring items. Found this book. It's called Live Beautiful, and it wasn't on sale. I lie. It was $24.99. So I'm glad I found this because this is in my Amazon cart and I've yet to purchase it. It's on on sale on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's on sale on Amazon right now for $29.99, so grab it if you can. It is so beautiful. I love the interior of it. Wish I could show y'all, but I love it. And there you go. All right, the big book. I had this in my cart on Amazon for over a year now, and it's dropped in price several times on Amazon. The lowest I saw it on Amazon was for $75, and I almost did it, but then I was like, I can find it. I can find it here in my own hometown, and I love a good hunt. And it's this bad boy, and I got it for $69.99. $70, so not bad if you ask me. I'm so excited. Right now on Amazon it's back up to $99, and I'm so happy I found it. I'm glad I went to that Home Goods today because I am so excited and so thrilled. I collect coffee book, candlestick holder, lamp, vases, vases, whatever, vessel, pot, whatever you want to call it. That's just my thing now. And bowls. Yeah, bowls. So yeah, that's all I got today. Okay guys, so I am cleaning these two chairs right here, and I'm using this guy. I discovered this the other day. I tried it out for the first time, and this thing removes stain. It's true. Not sponsored at all. There was a stain right here in this couch. You can still see it. I'm gonna have to work at it a little bit more. But it was very, like, you could see it when you come up on the chair. I'm still working at them, but I don't want to wet them too much. Right now they're dry, they're wet. So I'll show you guys once they're dry what they're looking like. But let me show y'all. So there's a stain right here. You guys can see that, right? So what I do is I just spray some on there, and then I take the little wrap. It's practically gone. OMG, it's gone. We need not to rub that. See, it's gone. How was school, Maddie? Why do you want to put your picture right there? Of all the places, why do you want to put it right there?
What'd she say about the thing?
She didn't answer. Right there though? Ask Daddy if you can put it there. How was work?
No.
You can put it in your room. You want to put it in your room? What's wrong? Why were you crying? Why were you crying? I'm making dinner. But this is good. This is really good. Why were you crying? Why were you crying?
I'm not crying.
Oh, okay. Good morning guys, today is Friday. So today is a long, busy day. It's a short day for the kiddos. They get picked up at 12 o'clock, and then I'm doing aftercare. I'm volunteering at the kids' school for aftercare. So I'll be there until 4, is it 4? Till 4:30, close to 5. And then I have to, Lord, I have to come home and clean the house because we're having guests over on Saturday. So much to done, so little time, and then I have to season the meat in the fridge, and it's so much undone. Let me just show y'all. Then I have to work out. I did say clean the house, right? Yeah, I'll show y'all. Every Friday I have to fill out this. Can you guys see? Madison's reading log. So I just fill it out every Friday instead of pulling it out every day. And by now, I know she reads every day. She reads more than 15 minutes, but I just put the minimum. And so far, so good. I haven't missed a day. Always remember. So, yeah. Hey, pretty girl. Oh, we are currently in a loaner. This is a loaner. My truck is in the shop because there was a recall or something. So they gave me this loaner, and I've had this for 2 weeks now, and I haven't heard anything about my truck. So, but this is a loaner. It's the exact truck that I have, just a different color and a different interior. Because I have the peanut butter. I have the peanut butter interior. I found some songs yesterday. It's 7:40. I need to get going. I'm over here just doing the most. Anyway, we gotta go.
I don't think we got enough time.
Okay, so the plan for today.
Sort out the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. Thought you'd always be mine.
Okay, so the plan for today is this is today's daily planner. So I made this on Canva. So it's a daily planner, and these are all the important tasks. So I have aftercare, yoga, and then I have practice at 5:30, and then today's task, all that, and then appointments are down here, and then meals, and then this is reminders and notes. So yeah, I love this. I love this planner, and I made it on Canva. So just go in here and you just go and you look up templates, and then you can customize them however you want. So yeah, that's what I do. Now I just have to get dressed for exercise. So I think I'm gonna just wear what I have. Why are you guys so short? Plan for today. Okay, so now we're getting our water, and then we're doing this energy drink. We're doing that.
Passion in the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
Okay, so, oh man, I hate my shoes. There, you guys can't see it. Hold on. That's it. What the body's looking like. Week 4. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. We gotta work out. I'm wasting time right now. All these cabinet doors are open just so I can show y'all the fit. But you get it. It's time to work out. Yay! Alright. Now we have to find a workout. I think I'm gonna do, who texts me? Having a party for a K. I wanted to invite her. So I'm gonna do Grow with Joe, walk at home. I'm gonna do Grow with Joe, walking workout. And I think I'm gonna do 45 minutes, so let's do that. This is my setup right now. Honey, you're in for a ride. Let's do this. There you go. I do that every day.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder.
Workout is done. We're almost there. just cooling down. I worked out for 81 minutes, earned 763 calories, and did 5.56 miles. Good job. Whew, slow down. I have yoga at 10. It is now 9:41. I don't think I'm gonna have time to season my meat, so that's just gonna have to wait. So yeah, at least workout is done. Okay, that's it. Under there, I am the worst day in my life person. I'm making oxtail right now. I just got back from aftercare. I have a whole bunch of packages that I want to open with you guys because I noticed that I don't keep up with the sequence of my life. But, it's too large?
No, it's still empty.
No, okay, put it over here. Just put it in that little cubby over there where everything catch all and everything. So, I'm making me, yes? Those have to stay up here because I need to change the pillow covers. Just put them right there. Yes, put them right there. I'm in a mad rush to get the house clean. So Rob, what is it? What's the word? My husband got all the kids to help, and we're almost done. I just have to open some package. Let's open some package together. And I'm trying to make something to eat. Today is yo-yo, and I'm trying not to go over my macros. I don't know if you guys were here when I used to eat a whole block of cheese. And then today I was trying to get a block of cheese, a piece of cheese, and realized that just a little chunk like this was 110 calories. No, sir. And then I wonder why I can't lose weight. Because I'm not counting my food properly. So I'm making me a little pizza in the air fryer. I'm gonna show you guys that. Why am I struggling so much? Yeah, that's for surfaces. Yes. Oh, this is for my Apple Pencil. So change your Apple Pencil into a pen. So that's that. It's cute. I like it. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna put that back in there. Thank you. Is that mine? Oh. Sorry.
What's your food?
I am.
Where can I make the hole for the
That's
Anywhere?
where? A hole?
For the cords.
Yeah.
Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere. I got some saw palmetto to help with hair loss because I've been getting thinning hair. Yeah, like Rob said. So I got saw palmetto for thinning hair. And then I have another package. I think these are more vitamins. I order all my vitamins off of. Then I got some inositol, whatever. I'll tell y'all what that's good for. And then I got some calcium and magnesium. And then I got cover for my MacBook, so that my iPad, so that it can look like a composition notebook. That's cute. I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so I'm gonna go finish my food and then we'll catch up later, okay? Okay guys, so it is 9:12 at night. I am back from my forehead big as I don't know what. So I am back, we are back. Well, Rob took me to practice because I can't see at night when I drive. I'm the worst when I drive. I can drive. I will drive perfectly fine. But it's bad. It's really bad. So Rob took me to practice. we're back, and now Maddie over there have been asking for about a couple days now to do family game night. So we're gonna play one round of Uno. Our food and stuff is all done for tomorrow. I am exhausted and tired. Yeah, the day was a success, and this is where I'm gonna end this 2-day vlog. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Bye guys. Mr. Rob is in the building.
What's it like